Okay, so we are live again. Let me set up some music and let's see if the whole flow won't break. Let me grab some, let's see, work music. Right, so music is live and we are live. I did some preparations before the stream because I wanted to make sure that everything would work out. So let me post a message on X that we are live, and let me get the link to the stream. So in the second post, just a quick tip, never set a URL in your first post, always do it in the second one, because just like all the other tools and websites, oh, Reddit, we want to go to Reddit. They all want to keep you on their platform and don't want you to get off their platform when you have like this. So let's create a post and a body, a title, delete the title from here. Let me grab the URL. See, where is it? Over here. So yesterday I had a lot of trouble with the screen freezing, and it was so annoying. Oh, let me get view them all, discussion, tutorial, and let's hope that today we won't get those problems, because yeah, that would be really annoying. Okay, so almost done with posting that we are live. It was a fun stream yesterday. Had a couple of nice questions in the stream, and let's hope that we can do that today again. Post. All right. Let's see if we will be able to post stuff in this one. Oh, we are. That's nice. Let's see if we can get some extra viewers. Let's do it in this one. Can we already post? No, we can't. Let's see, can we do it in this one? Yeah, we can. Nice. Okay, let me get the whole. Let's see. Okay, the thing I just did in as a preparation is I had a couple of workflows and I wasn't satisfied with the output. So I will just show you right now how I did it and how I'm going to improve the. Okay, let's see if we will get some extra viewers today. So the image that you are seeing currently in the stream is something I just generated. Let me open it up like this. Close this one. Oh, right, we got a singer. Okay, this image, I'm working on this workflow. Oh, and I wasn't satisfied with the output. So this is the bedtime stories workflow, as you can see, and I'm adding a couple of extra nodes in it. What I want to achieve with this workflow is to generate a whole bedtime stories video with a different output and style of images. So what I just try to achieve is just testing it with the Fluxional image model, the cheapest one, and let me just try it. Another image. This is the style I want to achieve, but yeah, I can achieve it with ChatGPT, but I want to have a cheaper option, of course, because we are generating for a video that's 12 to 13 minutes, 100 images. So yeah, that would be per video really costly. So let's see what we will get in this second prompt. I will just let you know what I just created. So what I just did was added a function node where every output is split, but I really don't need this function node, but for now I'll just leave it in here. Then I added a Google Sheet to add the text and the index to the Google Sheet, like this. Then there is an image agent that's I will just show you in a second. The prompts, the system prompt is this. This is the system prompt of this image agent. This is the user message, and he's using GPT 4.1 with a simple memory and a think tool. Okay, so let me grab one thing here, and then we add the first image prompt to the Google Sheet. That's this sheet, that's this first row, this row. The nice thing I did here was that the index, I couldn't pull the index to be used in the sheet. So what I did was item index and then made a JSON expression of it. So every time this node runs, this index 0, 1, 2, 3, I couldn't do it like this. I couldn't pull this index over here. This didn't work. It won't append the correct index. So I fixed that with that little trick. Then we got another agent, and this is something I'm going to reuse a lot, I think, in all the YouTube automation templates, because this agent is like a quality checker agent that's checking the quality. So what this agent is doing, this is the user prompt. and this is the style. Let me see if I can find to give a little bit credits to the creator of these styles. Let me check if I can find it. Is this the link? But I want to wait. This is the website where I'm getting these styles, but I want to show you who's the creator. It was on my profile notifications. Let's see if he's on here. He was somewhere. Yeah, I think it's really important to give credits to people that are creating amazing stuff that you can use. So let me find the creator of that website with those styles. It is somewhere. Just checking if I can find him. No. Okay, no, I can't find him. So yeah, too bad. Let me see. Let's go back. So this is a style that we want to recreate, and of course there's this JSON part. This JSON, I will post the link in the chat. Oh yeah, bro, thanks Nibla, thanks a lot. This is the website. You can just copy the JSON and then use it in your user prompts, like I did here. This is an example how to work with AI agent, but to have it it's a little complex because you will have to test a couple of things. So it's using a simple memory, just like this, with the previous final prompt as a first item, and a think model tool, and we are using Flash preview over here. Then when this agent is done, it will add the final adjusted prompts to the Google Sheet, just like we're seeing over here. Then what I'm doing, I'm testing the prompts in this cheap model, and of course in ChatGPT. This is the new the image and the style I would like to recreate, just like this. This is the style I want to recreate because we're creating now bedtime stories. Let me test another prompt. Planning along. Let me check this one. And so it's really important because it's a bedtime story to have images that are following along the whole story, and this agent is creating those. So this is the first agent prompt. It's just generating a prompt, and this agent is making sure that the prompt and the DNA from the style is added to the image prompt, and there is a like a state progression. So like this, that the previous prompt is followed with a new story. Yeah, that I can share the template later. Let me see. Can I tag someone? No, I can't. Okay. Yeah, the template will be shared later, so stick around and keep watching. So this is the whole system prompt. It's a pretty big one, but yeah, let's see the image. So first image, second, so the story is, oh, I used the same one, I think. Yeah, I think I used the same one. Okay, let me check this one. So yeah, of course, man, just send the URL. I will check onto the website. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's get the image. So I'm satisfied with the output, but I want to use a bit cheaper model. I don't want to use ChatGPT for it, because we are going for this video. We are generating 100 images. So if we do 100 images with ChatGPT, that will be yeah, costing very much. So that's something we are not going to do. Let's check this prompt, this image, when it's done. Almost. So this was that. Yeah, nice. So the character coherence. So as you can see, the turtle is every time the same turtle. So yeah, this will be an amazing bedtime story. So all the first parts are right. So we are using, I will just talk you through the whole workflow. This is the first part. We're selecting an animal, selecting a moral focus. So which lesson are we going to teach the kids that are watching the bedtime story, and setting preferences. So that's going to be sent to the video category. We are making sure that the duration is 1500 words. Then this is the user prompt. So those are just the same like the video category. And eventually, this is the whole prompt that we are using to generate the voiceover. And this is the whole voiceover. So I will just copy it, word counter. So as you can see, it's perfectly 1500 words. So this is yeah, some really great optimization that we did. Then we are cleaning the voiceover. It's really important to always clean voiceovers and AI outputs, because in this output you saw that there are some line breaks, and so we cleaned them. Then we are creating the voiceover. We're using 11 Labs from Vol AI. So if you go to 11 Labs, text to speech, you can just select 11 Labs Turbo. It's 5 cents per 1,000 characters. So how much did we got? Almost 10,000 characters. So this would be 50 cents. 50 cents. Yeah, man. All right. The nice thing about using Vol AI is that it's cheaper than using 11 Labs. So there's some great alpha. Okay, let me check. And all the other parts. Okay. So what I want to do in this first part of the stream is to check which model, text to image model we are going to use to generate images that are almost the same as the ChatGPT output, but not as costly as ChatGPT. So let's go to text to image. Let me check. I got a personal favorite. Oh wait, I will just use to show you that where is it? Text to image and oh no, text to image, this one. Imagen 4. Yeah. Let me get a prompt. Let me get this one. I don't really like the new Google model. I'm not a fan of it. So look, this is Imagen 4 and this is ChatGPT. Yeah, Google has some improvements to make on that field. So let's check a different model. I think I will go with Flux Pro 101. Let me check Flux. State-of-the-art imaging. Oh, let's try the new model. Text to image, Flux Pro context. Let's see. Okay, this is pretty cool. This is pretty nice. All right, yeah. Okay, let me save this one. It's 4 cents per image. Let's see, max. This was 8 cents. Okay, let's see the differences between each model. Okay, yeah, it's okay. Okay, I will just go with this model. I think this will be fine. So let's go back to the workflow and change the model. So this is how you can achieve that. So we will have to enter the new, so the improved prompt, image size. Let's see if we have any other. Let's see if everything is the same. So aspect ratio is what we have to use. Let's see. So this is important to check. So this is the parameter that we are needing, and then we will have to adjust the aspect ratio to make it long form. 16. Okay, that's something we can use. Okay, so let's do just execute it once. Let's see if it works. Oh wait, yeah, no, that won't work. If you get this error, just change it to first, and let's add minimize API calls, execute. Let's see if nothing broke. Now we have to pin that node as well. Go to the fall one and execute it once. Let's see if this will work. We can go to requests, and is this it? Alright. Is this it for real? Yeah, this is it. Okay, nice. Let me see the result again. So this is so cool. This is, yeah, this is the result. I really like these kind of images for this automation. Let me go to X and post. I really want to know the used. Yeah. Let me just do a shout out because this is, yeah, so good. Removed it. Images. Let me get there. Right. Okay, let me grab the style as well to make it even like this. Nice. Okay. Great. Okay, this is pretty cool. So this is I really like this image. So this whole workflow is now almost done. What we are going to add because we are having we have a wait node over here, and then we are going to get the images. So let me just pin this as a wait node. Let's set it to 5 seconds, execute, and then we will have to pin it, and then we are going to get the image just like this, and then we will have the same result. Yeah, nice. I just don't, yeah, maybe we will have to get rid of the text in the corner, but yeah, it's making it pretty cool like this, pretty unique. So what we are going to add, I'm using this, let me check, image to video. Yeah, this is the new one, so let me check where it is. This one. So I'm generating the images first. Oh, that I will just show you. Let me grab the URL. And to generate the images, we are using an expensive model. And then to generate a video of that image, we're using this model, and that's also 4 cents. So if we are generating 110 images, and the image to video and the image is just 8 cents total, that will be $9 for the whole video, and that's a video of 30 minutes. So that's yeah, that's something that I think is pretty good. So what I want to do now is to generate, according to this image prompt and this image, a prompt for the image to video. So let me just try something first over here. Let me download the image. I just copy it, go to this image to video prompt to make the let me just see what we will get. Let's see, we use this one. I'm just testing to see the output. Yeah, because I want a prompt like make the turtle slide down into the water or something like that. But yeah, we'll have to I want this for later. Okay, let's see what will happen. Not sure, because yeah, this is a really cheap model. So yeah, that's always good to do. Let's show the difference between, this is the new Google model. Everybody's making videos. The Yeti video and all the other videos that are currently trending. But we're not going to do that. Let me grab the URL just to see what the difference will be between Kling. So this is oh wait, we got, let me check for a second. Yeah, this one. This is Kling. We get the prompt again, and so this would be 25 cents for 5 seconds video. It's already okay. Oh, this is yeah, only the camera movement is used and not the turtle. So let's see what Kling will do. So yeah, that could be a problem with the generation of the video. So come on. So maybe we should backs mostly on warm, smooth rocks and moderate. Camera shift Slightly to follow as he begins to move slowly through the pool. Yeah, okay, so this model is really cheap. Come on. Yeah, I'm not sure this will work. We have to test it. We have to test it. Make the, oh wait, we can do something like this. Static shot. Let's see what the result will be. Run it again. Look, yeah. This is the difference between using LTX. Let me just save this video because this is so nice. This is the difference between using LTX and an expensive model like Kling. So this is static shot. So the turtle doesn't do anything. Make the turtle slide down to the water. Let's see what will happen. Let me just download this last one. Just save it for oh, it was okay. So yeah, paying 25 cents for the image to video or using 4 cents. This is the difference. So if we did 110, that would be 30 cents total. So that will be $33 for the whole video if we use this model. So that video will get 10,000, 100,000 views. That would be pretty cool. So let's see. All right, so this is a different prompt. Make the turtle slide down to the water. Okay, so we will need to, let me just try to add a bit more context. The image to videos. We need to make the let's try to see if we can optimize the system prompt to get better end results. Let's try this one. I don't think this model recognizes the turtle in the image. So that's the problem. That's something we want to achieve, but I don't think it will be done. So let's wait for it. Where is it? Over here. Okay, so it's complete. Oh, nice. Nice. So, okay, this is better. This is better. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. So this is the cheap model, and this is the Kling 2.1 model. So maybe we could do something like this in the workflow. Do the first 10 images with Kling to get the user hooked, and then switch to this cheaper model. I think we are going to do that. So let's move this a bit back. Yeah, for now we're just testing with 1, but we will use 10 items and then do a split. Split out. Oh wait, I need batches. Batch. split into batches. Let me think, how can I solve this? So if we just do the first 10 here, the second items here. So first 10 get this whole sequence like this, and then we will get the second 10 in here. Oh, where is it? Let me copy it. Okay, there they are. So these are the second 10. So the first 10 will be done with this model, the expensive model. Let's get it in here, and we are going to use, let me check more, duration, okay, let's see, JSON, aspect ratio 69, aspect, okay, we did image 69, and resolution, can we set that? No, we can't. Image URL, first pass, we have this, second pass, frame rate, expand prompt, false. So image URL, is that the same? Image URL, nice. Negative prompt, what did we use here? Okay, so let's get this one. And number of frames. Oh, duration, we have to set duration to 5. Okay, duration 5, make it an expression, and I think the duration has to be an integer. So this is how you can set it to integer and not to a string. Oh, maybe, okay, I'll just test it later, so maybe it can be a string as well. So let's see, image prompt, okay. So before it gets sent to this part, we will need to add AI agent, and then define below, add the system message. And what are we going to define? This is the, oh wait, image prompt. This is the input, and where is it? Okay, give me a system prompt. Alright, and I'll show you a nice trick how to improve the prompt. Go to this this page, and you can generate a prompt. So we can, okay, no, this, so like this. So I want first to give me the better okay. So then we go to the Anthropic website, make it, no, let's do it like this. All right, and then we are going to generate a prompt for it. Alright, so this is the prompt, set it to expression, and image description, that is this one. Alright, image to video prompt agent. Alright, enter chat model, OpenRouter. Let's use GPT-4 Mini for it. Do we need any tools? No, let's just continue with it. Let's go. All right, so then we are going to send this to, so change this one to make sure it uses this prompt. Video, okay. And then let's see, is the image, okay, nice, okay, look. So the image isn't working. So for now we just change it to this one. And then yeah, that was 30 minutes, but we are just going to do 30 seconds now. 30 seconds, and let's see the result. Let's wait for 30 seconds until the video is generated. Let's see if it's already done. Oh, it's still in progress. All right. Okay, our wait time is over, so we can just spam the get request. Okay. Not found. Oh wait, we have to change the submit a request to grab this URL because we're using a different model in here. Execute it. Okay, still in progress, so it's not done yet. Let's see if it's done. No, still in progress. But that's what we are. Let's wait a couple of seconds for it. After these 10 items, we will do something like this. After this, it will be split out. So the first 10 go to here, and every other image prompt will be sent to the second row, and then we will use a different okay, it's done. So let's get it. So that you can see it's working. Yeah, look, it's working. So let's check it. Check the result. Yeah, okay, it's okay. It's okay. It wasn't as good as the last one we did. That the turtle slided. But it's okay. It's okay. I think it's fine like this. Especially if the story is with a voiceover. Okay. So this is it for this workflow. Going to continue with the next one. This is the horror stories workflow. This is let's just refresh it for a second because I think I need. Yeah, okay, this is the correct one. I'm going to continue with the crypto workflow. That's something I'm still looking forward to finish, and this is finished. I can just add these. I need to add merge, and then I can just do it like this. Merge both of the outputs together. Input 1, input 2. And then we are set. And we can just continue with the whole workflow. So for now, going to add split. No, not split. I need to let me see, data transformation. I definitely need to limit items, so the first 10 items. And then the next item. like this. So the first 10, let's see if this will work. Let me unpin this one and this and this. What item will this be? How much items will this? 1. Nice. So yeah, look, and we are done. So we are using the next image model, the context, and the first 10 items will be sent to this workflow where we're using Kling image to video model, and the second will be sent to this workflow where we're using LTX image to video model. So this is 4 cents a video, and this is 25 cents. So with the first minute of the video, we will hook the viewer to keep watching, and in the first minute we can generate the best quality image to video. So for now, this is it. This is all we are going to do with this workflow, and let's see what's on the to-do. The next thing, okay. Oh yeah, this was Velo crypto. Let's just, there's a tool. Let me check. This is something I'm going to scrape. I need more data for the crypto workflow. So that is something I'm going to scrape. I'm not sure what the name was. Velo docs. Okay, let me check. Docs dot velo dot xyz. Okay, nice. Okay, so this is something we are going to use with this workflow. This is the crypto workflow, and we are going to add an AI agent that's going to predict the price according to some data points we are giving it. So let's see, subscription paywall 3 months history. Okay, this is a paid service. The news API, is that also? That's also paid. Let me see, web app. Chart.
Hoi, wat kan ik voor je doen?
Okay. Let me just silence up Siri. Okay. Let me see if I can open up the if there is a public because it's a web app. Yeah, you can open. Okay, nice. Okay, so if I do something like this, just checking something. Hang on for a second. Just seeing if I could make a couple of screenshots of that screen. Over here, enter, execute. Forgot to press this one. Let's see. Yeah, okay, view. Okay, nice. So this can be done with this one. And if we switch it to, let me see where it is. Just grabbing a different node. This one, I need this for a second. Let me get it over here. Because not the whole page was screenshotted. Let's see, like this. Let's see what we will get. Okay. The page is pretty big, so we need to adjust the viewport a bit. And I did that yesterday with a different workflow in the live stream. I think it was this one. Let's see. Was it this one? No. Was it this one? Yeah, this one. Okay, but I have another option. Let's take these nodes and grab them over here, activate them, grab the URL, screenshot like this, execute. Let's see what will happen now. If we can take a screenshot of the whole page, that would give us a lot of data points. Still going. Can we, yeah, we can just do it like this as well. Take screenshots of the page, but yeah, that's not something we want to do. We want to automate it. Let me close the screen, I don't need it. Let's see, screenshot over here, this URL. Let's check. Ooh, this would be nice. So, okay. We will have to add a little wait before the whole screenshot is taken. Because we don't have any. It's 1 week. If we adjust it to 1 day, okay, it's all rendered in here. And futures, what will give? Okay, it's futures market. No. Account. Yeah, like the top gainers this week, that's really useful information that we want to pull. But the API is, let me just check the API is really expensive. So refresh the page. Let's see if we can get something out of the if there's a backend API that we could use to scrape the data. Hello, let's see. Let's see. Okay, I will need to dive into if they use an API. What's this? Okay, it's like a save button. Okay, so there you have a pretty cool website. Okay, so we can try to take it, but we will need to adjust the market. So we can grab market as well. Try market for a second. Execute the step and let's see what we will get. And then we are going to start building with all this data. We are going to start build the workflow, and it's going to be just a small. Okay, we have to funding rates. Let me check something. Let me check. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, if you have any question, just let me know in the comment, and I will try to come back and answer it. Let's see if this will work. Wait for 5,000, only main content, because we are going to need the whole page with data in it. Let's see. Nice, nice. So 1 week return, we got the funding rates. Let's do wait for 9,000 milliseconds. Let's see what we will get. For now, we're just going to build the BTC stuff. Okay, this is not good. Set it back to 5 and then keep it like that. So image width. Okay, we will need to let me see if the markdown will give us some more data, because maybe we will get in the markdown some data that we could use. No, for now not. Okay, let's go and start building. So we will need a schedule trigger. This will trigger the workflow. Then what we want to do is to start with a couple of screenshots. So what we want to do is here is the 50-minute chart BTC. So we are going to screenshot the 50-minute chart of BTC, and that I need to check which URL it was. Was this 15 minutes? No, this was daily. Okay. So this was daily. This is daily. So this is 1 day. 15 minutes. Let me see. What's Bybit? What was Bybit? Bybit was 30, I think. 4 hour. Okay, Bybit is 4 hour. So this is four-hour chart. Just this whole flow. We won't need this one anymore. Just activate them. Okay, so let me. Oh, this was 50 minutes. The Femex chart. I think this was 15. The weekly. It's weekly. Okay. So I got even more options. So it's weekly. Where is it? It's over here. So this weekly. So this is Femex. Let me check Coinbase. Coinbase. No, I don't want to log in. I don't want to see Coinbase. Can I see a chart on Coinbase? Or is the Is Coinbase, do they have an API? That would be fun. Coinbase. Okay. No, that's not what we want. We would just want Coinbase.com and see market, crypto valutas. And let's see if is euro. Okay, so euro, if we change it to USD, will we have a different? No, the same, but I want to have some more. Okay, this is something we could use for to make to give the let's see. No, Coinbase, not okay. Let's check. Okay, this is Femex, this is Binance. I got another option. This is Bybit, and we have. Let's check. I think this is it. Coin analysis, yeah, this one. This was, let me see, I think this was 15 minutes, I think. It was 5 minutes, okay, nice. So it is 5 minutes. Okay, let's grab this one. This whole workflow. So this 15, we haven't found it yet, but I know it's somewhere over here. Move this, and this is 5 minutes. 5 minute chart. Let me activate all these nodes. Yeah, just activate for now. Let's see, where was the 15 minutes? Bybit. Yeah, why do I have? Just checking if why it's giving me the 4 hour now. It gave me previously the. Ah, nice. Okay, so this one. Where is it? This Bybit one. If you go to that URL in an incognito screen, it will give you the 30 minutes. So that's all right. So let's check it like this. 30-minute chart, BTC, Bybit. Okay, we don't need that one. We need a get HTTP request to get, and then we will get the URL. Okay, so let's do something like this. Oh, we have to remove this one. A bit up. Get rid of that one. Let's just connect all the steps we got currently. Move this a bit back. And let's test the screenshot part, because we will need to see if the screenshots are taken correctly or need to be adjusted. And then also we will need to see if the image files can be saved. So we make a new folder for every new day. So that's something that we are going to do. Let me get rid of that. We don't need that now. Okay, and of course we will have to test which service is giving the best screenshots. We will have to grab this one as well. Let's see, only the 15-minute chart. I can't remember which ticker it was or which URL. More options. Let's see, we got shall we add this one for now? No, we won't do it. Let me just close up some windows. This was a style thing. Oh yeah, it was doing that as well. Download the result. Let's do a markdown. I need that file for something else. Okay. Let me just do first this and deactivate them. Okay, let's check. Screenshot. Oh, I need to unpin that one. This is Bybit. This is this is Binance, and this is Femix. Yeah. Okay. Let's save it and let's run it. Oh wait, of course. Let me just deactivate it for a second. Now again, from top to bottom, it's all going to run. Let me check. So coin gecko.com and then exchanges. Let's see if we the decentralized exchanges, we can scrape them as well. So Bitget, we got OKX, Coinbase, Kraken. Let's check. What was it? Hyperliquid, something like that. So this is okay. Oh, is the stream frozen again? I hope not. I think my internet is getting stuck. I think we're back. We got a little bit of an issue with my PC. Let me check what could be the problem. And let me close some windows and see if we can get the stream up and running again. Okay, nice. I think we are back online again. Yeah, okay, so we were checking the different kind of exchanges. So Bitget, let me see how. Okay, they got a nice 1 minute chart. Nice. So we are going to get the 1 minute chart as well. I think the problem was that I triggered the whole workflow, and that took a lot of okay, we are going to get the 1 minute chart as well. Go to scrape that, take a screenshot. So this is the 1 minute chart from Bitget. If we change this one, channel code, zip code. Okay. Okay, so we will get the 1 minute chart. Let me see the results. Bitget. Okay, let's check the results of the print screens we just took. Let's see, this is the coin analysis 5 minute chart. This is the, okay, let me activate this node and get the URL, schema, get it, we don't need authentication for it. So let's see the result. Nice. This is a really good screenshot. 30 minutes chart. And this is the 4-hour chart. Oh, it didn't run. Because we changed. Oh yeah, because we changed the. Let's see if we can get it back with execution. We can just do it. If we pin them. Yeah, okay, now it's run. Okay, so let's bring it back. Let's pin the data. Pin. Hope I can pin everything. Let's see this result. All right, this is the 30-minute chart. Okay, this is the. Let's open it up like this for a second. Oh, the screenshot wasn't. This wasn't a good screenshot. And let's see, this also didn't wait it long enough to take the screenshot. We have to maybe do something like this. Okay, so from Bitget we got the 1 minute chart. Let's see from OKX. What can we pull from OKX? The 15 minutes. Nice. Okay, it's taking channel ID. But if we change the channel ID to 1920, what will happen? Okay. Damn, this website is running really slow. Okay, no, it's still the same result. Let's get it hooked up to our workflow. So we got from OKX the 15-minute chart. Let me get it like this and then like this. Okay, let's OKX. We change the URL. All right, so Bitget is done. OKX is done. Then Coinbase Exchange. Let's see what it will give us. And this is the 5-minute chart. All right. Okay. So just grabbing a small drink. Be right back in a couple of seconds. So, that's a great question, David. The first thing I do is, this was phase 1. I collect a lot of data. So I'm looking for API endpoints, different kind of websites and tools that I can use to scrape the data or just collect it from them. For example, this node, this is getting all the future markets from this website. This is getting all the open interest, the exchange data, funding rates, and the history of the open interest. Eventually, after testing several data endpoints, I'm going now to phase 2, going to make it a bit more organized and set the collected data points in our organized way so I can see which tool I'm going to use for the automation. So what you can see here, I'm using Crawl for AI a couple of times, and I'm using Firecrawl. Those are two different services. One, it's a paid service, so there's this one, and the other one is self-hosted. So I'm not paying anything for the screenshot with Crawl for AI. If you are interested in how to set it up, I got a video about that, a live session, this one. I'm talking about self-hosting your n8n with Kokoro text-to-speech and setting up Crawl for AI. Of course, if you have any questions about self-hosting or building the workflow, just contact me. Send a message in the chat and I can help you in this live stream. So in phase 2, what I'm doing is checking all the collected data points and testing several services in what will work the best for the goals I have. So what you can see, I'm building a crypto workflow, and what I want to achieve with all these steps is I want to take screenshots of the 1 minute, the 5, 15, 30, all these charts. I want to screenshot them. So I will, let's see, I can run it. Just have to set up these two things and then I can just execute this this step. We have to wait for it to see the result. Let's give it some time before it's done. You can see it on the screen. All right, so the last node is currently executing. So they're done. So let's see what the result is. I'm self-hosting the n8n. So the load on the server when this step is executing is a bit high, but not a problem at all. So let's see the result. First one, we scraped, took a screenshot of the BitGet Bitcoin 1 minute chart. Second one, the coin analysis Binance 5 minute chart and the 50 minute chart from OKX. It's okay. Then the 30-minute chart. Okay, this one is so what I'm doing is making this one red. We will need to check this one. Let's get to see this one. This is the, what was this? The 4-hour chart from bike. Oh, this is also the 30 minutes. Okay. So what we can do is just replace this like this and make this green because this one was good and this is not good, and this is the 30 minutes chart. Okay, so this was okay-ish. I want to change the color. Green. Maybe a bit more. This was good. This was good. All right, let's see the 1-day chart. Firecrawl. That's not what we want to see. And this one, nice. The 50-minute chart of Femix. So not the weekly, but this is the 15 minutes chart. But it's pretty cool and it's working. So what we got is all these screenshots with pretty good results. Let me just check one thing. Trading view API. Is this up? Advanced chart documentation. I'm not sure if they have. Never looked in. Just thought about it. TradingView, they should have on API. Let's see. They should have some great API. Let's see, because if you could just use TradingView API, what's this? With let me check. Does TradingView that's the only thing I want. I want to have a chart with indicators. Let's look for it. Okay, so what we are going to do is Google Drive, create folder. The name of the folder will be, this was the 1-minute chart. Main chart. Make it a color. Oh, okay, I don't want to. And then we are going to upload. Upload. Drive. Upload a file to it. Can we do it like that? We create a folder from list. I want to grab the new folder by URL. Okay, let me just do it. Let me just pin all these nodes because, okay, it can't be pinned. I don't hope it will run. It will run, yeah, them all again. Okay, that's a bit annoying that all these little nodes will run again. Let's see. And we're going to save the images to Google Drive, where we'll be able to ID. So, okay, from by ID. So we will have this ID in it, file name, but the only problem is we don't have the file here. Let's see. File name must be something like, let's check it, because I'm in a chart. We're just taking the screenshot. We will have to add some extra notes in here to create a bit more detail about this whole file. So this is the, maybe do something like this. Add set one min chart PTC. No, let's do one min chart, and then date when, yeah, let's do this, just a timestamp. So like this, we will set it up like this. So wait, let me add bitget to it, because this is the bitget part, and let's just do it again. Run this top section again, execute it. So the output will be one min chart bitget. Then we can use that in the naming of the file that we are going to upload. All right, let's see. Okay, that's all good. Then the file name will be this field. I forgot to update it, but for now it's okay. Upload input field data file folder. Okay, let me do this, because we will only need to create the folder once. Yeah, thanks Dan, thanks a lot. If you have any questions, just get them up and running in the chat. So let's do something like this, because we will have to create the folder before we upload the file. So here we are creating the folder, 1 minute child chart bitget, this bitget chart, and let's change the name like this. Okay, so let's run it again. Execute. Okay, and then we can upload the file to the Google Drive, and let's see what the result will be. So we can keep, for example, 2 to 3 weeks, scrape and take pictures of all the charts and use that data to to train our model and our agent to make sure that the agent is working. And we will have to add something like this now to add the date. So the name will be 1 minute chart bitget and the date. So if we are taking the screenshot now, this will be for every screenshot a unique name by ID. So we created the folder here with an ID. So let's execute the step. Oh wait, okay. So we will have to run the whole because the file, the screenshot is too big, so we have to run it. Let me go to the Google Drive and let's see if I can find the folder and the screenshot we just took. Where's the folder? Digital screenshot. No. Okay, the folder is not my drive from list. I can't find the folder, so let me check if there is something. Okay, now I found it. Okay, so I found it. So let me just get that screen in here. So here's the folder. First one is empty. Is the file upload. Let me check where we this one. Yeah, okay. So here's the screenshot we just took, like this. The nice thing that we can do, because the screenshot is like this, what we can do is use something like where is it? Edit the image and then crop the image. Let me see. .500 by 500. Let's see if this will work. Crop data, output name data. Yeah, we have to run the whole node. And let's see if this will. Yeah, then Mr. Denji, how does your crypto AI work? What I'm currently doing is I started with phase 1. This is phase 1, just collecting different data endpoints, APIs. For example, what I did here was collected futures market data, open interest data, and funding rate, all kind of data points and stuff I could use in the eventual workflow. Then I tested several nodes and services. So as you can see, I have Crawl for AI here that's self-hosted, so I'm not paying anything for the screenshots I'm taking. And I got the Firecrawl, that's a paid service. So that's something I'm using and testing what will work the best. I also got another option, Browserless. It is currently not active, but Browserless, that's this one. It's an automation to dodge bots and CAPTCHA and stuff like that. So I'm using that to scrape and automate any site. This is also self-hosted. As you can see, Crawl for AI, Kokoro, text-to-speech, and Browserless, all self-hosted, so not paying anything. Just the server I'm running, the headset server. Alright, let's look at the cropped image. Okay, so we have to adjust it a bit. So let's do 9080 by 1200, and we have to execute the whole step again. Just making sure that the image we and we have to adjust this. Yeah, thanks DJ Kai. Just follow along with the stream, and maybe you could recreate it. If you want the fast way and just want to get the workflow immediately, you could check out the community and check out this outreach tool, and all these templates are ready for grabs. And of course we have all the credentials and how to set them up with a lot of guides. You can just get your kickstart your whole n8n career. You can't execute trades currently, but eventually that will be possible. So of course you will have to connect your own APIs. So if you are trading on Binance, for example, you could use your API from your account and add it to make trades with this workflow. So I think this is fine. So we added the image, we cropped it a bit, so the height, let's set the height to 1000, and then we are, I think, set, and this one is working. Let's see, I think this will be fine like this. Maybe the width can be a little bit smaller, but let's see what the result will be. Let's see, view, nice. Maybe just a little bit smaller, 900. Yeah, and do the width to 1400. Great question, man. The trade logic for the AI agent, what I'm going to build is something like this. It will have the ability to get all these data points, and then if you want to trade, for example, in these time frames, 1 to 50 minutes, the agent will get these screenshots of the charts. If you want to trade 30 minutes to 1 hour, 4 hour, it will get these screenshots. And if you want to trade on the daily, it will just get this one. But that's not all what the agent will get. It will also get this. This is the fear and greed index, the total market cap. Let me see, what did I find? And it will get the Bitcoin news. So we will add the Bitcoin news as well to see if there's a news item that impacted the price that much that the price is fluctuating that much. So we don't make any emotional decisions, and the agent will just do it for us. We will use human in the loop wait, where is it? Human in the loop. So you will get eventually a Telegram message, a Gmail, or anything that you prefer, where you can just press approve or press yes, and the trade will be executed with your own API. So that's the plan. But for now, we are just collecting data points to see if we can make it work. Okay, we can make this, I think, 1200 and make this 875. Will 8 work? Let's try 850. Just optimizing currently the whole workflow. I think we are creating a lot of folders now. That's not a problem at all. So let me just delete some. Come on, let me delete you. Okay, we will do it later, but it's okay for now. Okay, let's see the results. Nice. Okay, this is what we are going to use. So this is the 1 minute chart from BitGet. Yeah, eventually, that's something what I am planning to do is are you yeah, when did you start with crypto? Okay, let me see if I can show it to you. Just checking something I want to show you. Something, let's see if it will open up. So for example, this this dude, he's posting a lot of setups. So I will train the agent with all these kind of setups and knowledge he's sharing. So I'm not sure if you are familiar with him, but there are a couple of respected dudes that are giving great advices. Oh, nice, man. 2 years ago. Yeah. Very nice. Good to hear. Indicators. Not sure if that will be beneficial because, in crypto, everything is going so fast paced that I will look into it. But the obvious things, what I want to do is get some trading books and just feed that to the agent, like knowledge, like creating a knowledge base to make sure it has all the correct knowledge. So okay, the creation of the folder is something that's currently bothering me because it's creating a lot of folders because it's running every time. So that's something we will have to adjust. Maybe just create the folder ourselves, so this node won't run every time and create every time a new let me adjust this one by list, file name, data, my drive. Yeah, we can just do something like this by URL and grab the last one. Let's see. Yeah, that's this one. Let's see if this will work, because it will just keep on generating new folders. For now, that's not what we want. Just deactivated it. All those little tweaks to adjust that will we will take care of that later. yeah, eventually when you want to use it, you will have to have a bit knowledge about APIs and how to set it up yourself, because yeah, I think the most smart thing to do is get on exchange without KYC, but yeah, that's something we will deal later and check if that will yeah, that's possible. For now, don't have any exchange particularly in mind to eventually create it, but just for keep it open so that you can, as a user, just set up your own credentials and trading. Another thing I thought about to do eventually is just get an output from the agent and send that output to your Telegram or your WhatsApp, so that you as a user can make the decision yourself. Do I want to trade or not, based on all the data points that are collected? So this could also be as your advisor workflow that you can use to make trade decisions based on. So I'm pretty it is pretty good. So the 1 minute chart is working. So let's optimize the 5 minutes as well. So let's do this, deactivate it, because otherwise it will keep on running like this. Okay, let's do the 5 minute chart. And the 5 minute chart is from Coin Analysis or Coin Analyze. Let's do something different with this one. Let's just grab the URL and try to do it with Browserless. Set it here. See, okay, execute it. Let's view. Oh, okay, we can't use Browserless. Okay, so Browserless is a no-go for now for that. Let's check this one. Is what I need. Connect it. We need to edit the image. Yeah, that you're blocked. Yeah, that's something that's can be fixed with proxy. But for now, it's okay. We got a lot of other options we can use. So let me create the folder. New 5 minute chart from Coin Analyze. Minute chart, Coin Analyze, create. Let me get the URL and set it here. Okay. Okay, we have to get the name as well. Yeah, I'm using n8n for almost 2 years now. Just before I used it just to create little automations and eventually code them into my own backend of mine projects, but n8n evolved so fast that yeah, just using it to build small automations for yeah, for myself and for the community. Yeah, that's it, man. Edit field, rename it. Minutes, something like this I think we will do. No, everything is set. Okay, so let's try it. Let's see what happened. Yeah, do you have any experience with n8n DJ Kai? Oh, no, the print screens are really small, man. It's yeah, less than 1 megabyte. So let's see. We've even cut it a little bit. So this 5-minute chart. Nice. Okay. Then we are going to upload it. Get the name. Hit field. Get the name like this and execute the step. See if it will work. Yeah, it worked. Nice. So the file should appear. Yeah, there is. Nice. So with the date and everything in it. Another thing that we could do, yeah, just to show you the power of this workflow. Analyze image. Something that we can do already is grok. We could already analyze this image with the URL or with the, let me just do it. Before the upload to the drive. I can do something like this, binary field data, just to show you what's possible. Analyze step. As you can see, and then when we adjust it, something like this. Yeah, that's something what we are going to build. So as you can see, based on the image, Bitcoin appears to be in a downward trend. It might continue to decrease or find support around the current level before potentially reversing. So what was the image? As you can see, based on this image, it's giving this advice. And this just this small node and only this image. So that's not what we are going to build, but because we are going to give it a lot of more data points to make a better decision. But for now, just to show you what will eventually be the goal of this whole workflow. Just leave it. I will just leave it in here on. Let me check. Okay, I will just leave it. So we uploaded it already. Disconnect it. Add it to the drive again. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Deactivate them all. And then add the set field, activate it. All right, let's do the 50-minute chart from OKX. Enlarge it, and it's green because it's working. No, not really, but oh, nice, man. You have built agents. What kind of agents did you build? OKX. Oh, wait. OKX, like that. Did I change the name here? No. This wasn't BitGet. This was from Coin Analyze. So I have to change the name in here to coin analyze. Okay, so this is correct now. Yeah, all right. So we are going to take the next screenshot and convert the file, edit the file. Let me create a new folder really fast. 15 min chart OKX. Let me create and then get the URL. Activate. Set this one like this. Okay, we can test this one now. Go. Okay, all right. Yeah. Yeah, that could be a bit of a challenge to set it up. Yeah, I just checked. Where was it? These decentralized exchanges. If they're yeah, not sure. Didn't look into it, but yeah, you could eventually see something like the new builds, new listings, and check them. Let's see if I can go to the chart, live chart. What's this? Just checking, maybe get-go terminal. All right. Let's see what this is. Maybe we could use this one to take screenshots. This is 50-minute chart. All right, okay, this is some shitcoin. Let's see if there's something else. Pepe, is it the real one? Not sure. Oh yeah, okay, nice. We could use this one, for example. This is also the 50-minute chart. This is a nice website. Embed chart. Get score. And they have an API, but is this? Let me see, because if they have nice, this API is free. So what could we get from this API? Okay, so this is something I'm going to look into. Just grab it and add it to a node in the workflow. So I just found this free option. Coin get-go terminal API. So this is something I'm going to add, just like a data point. So this is how you build a workflow. Collecting data points, checking them, endpoints, checking the endpoints. This is currently free, so yeah, it is something we can use, but eventually it could give problems because it's not free anymore. And the CoinGecko API is like $200 a month. So that's something we could get, but for now it's not what we want. We just want to have as many different options as we like. Let me check what like this one. Just to show you what I did over here was get the coin analysis historical price, and eventually they got a free API and plot the chart with quick chart. It's not optimal because the chart wasn't really well formatted. The X and Y axis were yeah, really strange built, but yeah, for just a quick demo that was okay. So the 50-minute chart from OKX is done. So this is it. This is okay. Yeah, this is okay. It's 50 minutes. Nice. Let's go back to the other workflow. So this is all working. This one is good. So let's deactivate them. Nice. Okay. So let's move on to the 30-minute chart from Bybit. And this is going to give some trouble, I think, because we will have to adjust it. It's taking a... Oh yeah, for sure. The free APIs always are limited. Yeah, I'm not going to look into it right now. But eventually, yeah, as you can see, oh, it's $120 a month for the CoinGecko API. There's the coin market cap. This one. Coin market cap API, and you can use this as well, but not sure what the price was. Oh, why is it not working? Yeah, we could do something like this as well. Coin market cap, and what's this, trading view? Okay, that's not. This just popped. Okay. It's just a model, so. Yeah, we could just look at something like this to see if there's a backend API that we could grab and see if we could grab the data from their backend. But I have to, I have to look into this. That's not something we can do quickly on the stream. If I change it. It's a pretty nice dashboard they built. Okay, let's go back to the workflow because we have a screenshot taken, and let's see the screenshot. View it. Nice. So this is pretty cool. This is the Bybit 30 minutes chart. And do we need to? No, it's okay. It's 300 KB. We could get rid of the site. Let's do that. Make it as clean as possible. Let me activate it. Let's execute it. View. Okay, we have to make the height a bit larger, and this 1400. Let me see if there's information about the viewport in it. No, there isn't. No, there isn't. So let's see what the result will be. Okay, so a bit longer. Okay, man, thanks for being here. Have a nice day. Maybe this. Okay, nice. 1600. So just have the Okay, a bit more, 1700. Just testing to have the final part. Okay, so 1650. That's the thing. That should do it. Nice. Alright, so this is what we are going to use. And upload it to the Google Drive. Oh, we just forgot to make the set field. Let me grab it and add it in here. Activate it. Delete that one. Connect this one as well. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the chat. Going to finish up these last one and then call it a day. And then be back tomorrow for another stream. That was Bybit. Save. And tomorrow I'm going to build the search functionality. And then yeah, do for now just a Bitcoin search. But the goal will be, for example, something like this. This is a search. Based on his analysis. So the agent will decide what you want to search. So the query will be made up by the agent. So if he wants to know if there's currently something, a news event, or Trump and Elon are having a fight again, and that's why the price is crashing, the agent can use that to determine if he needs to search for it or not. Okay, so this is all set. 30 minutes Bybit. So let's adjust this one. 30 minutes, rename it. We have to rename this one as well. Always I like to keep my workflows starting in the second phase clean. And thank you, Dan. Thanks, man. If you have any questions, just let me know. Happy to help if you are running into a problem or can't figure out the workflow. Let's see. Okay, we will have to connect the naming. No, it's just a bit. Let's see. Where is it? This one. Repetitive work, but yeah. Eventually we will have. Let's create a new folder for it. 30 minutes chart. Was it Bybit? 30 minutes chart Bybit. Yeah, right. Okay. I'm going to activate the workflow to run on a daily basis. So I'm going to collect data to see to see tomorrow how much screenshots we took to see if we can. Come on. Okay, nice. So let's check if it. Yeah. Okay, there it is. Oh, look. So the new screenshot didn't work. So that's why we are taking more. Okay. Let's try. Okay, that's something we will need to fix. Because, let's see. Blur border, create, draw, multi-step. Yeah, I think I will show you each call to Grok Vision. Is these are the costs. What we can do now, something like this. Add an agent. Oh wait, no, this not this one. I didn't need that one. AI, OpenAI. Analyze image, and there is a free model. I'm not sure if this will work, but this would be amazing if we can check the image if there isn't a chart in the image output, only this, no chart. Okay, let's see if this will work with the free model. That's yeah, it's really nice. So I will show you what we just did. I'm using OpenRouter. That's this service, one of the best there is. So if you're just building automation or using AI, LLMs, models, anything, what you can do at OpenRouter, just look for free. These are all free. This won't cost you anything. So if I refresh this page, Grok Vision was there. So as you can see, cost 0. So this little image analyze option that I just did here didn't cost me anything. So what we got now, and we can do something like this, for example. If content is equal to no chart, is then it's false, then we will have to, let's see if this will work, something like this. So let's repeat it. So if there is no chart, we will go back to take a new screenshot, analyze. Let me check. Okay, wait. Oh, wait, stop it. So no chart. We have to adjust the prompt a bit because there is a chart now. As you can see, we have a chart. What we can do, of course, is just do something like this. Go to chat. Oh, wait, chat. And you give me a prompt where the agent analyzes the image, and when there isn't a chart, he outputs only the words no chart. Okay, we will need to adjust the prompt a bit. Yeah, it could also be because we are using a free model, so let's just check if that's, or we have to give the agent another option. So when there is a chart, he has to output chart. Okay, let me just check what output. There's no chart. When there is a chart, output chart. Okay, so let's maybe this will just fix it. I forgot to give it another option. Nice. So what we just did, and now it's not equal to, this should be true, and then it should be sent to the Google Drive. Look, we fixed it. Now let's change it back to the free model, because we like free. Everybody likes free. I will show you. this one was free, and the 04 mini is, these are the cost. Let's try it again. Let's do something like this. I don't want to upload it to the Google Drive now. Okay, let's try it with the free model again. Save the workflow. And there's a chart in the image. Did you notice what just happened? We want that it only outputs chart, but it's outputting there is a chart so it's seeing that there's a chart, but because it's a free model, it's rate limited, it's maybe trained on different data, it's outputting this, but our if statement is false because there's no chart, and we are sending it to the Google Drive. Let's see. Okay, so let's try this prompt, and let's see what will happen if we rerun it. Okay, I think we are going to add this little note with this free option on all the steps. Output no chart. So, okay, so we have to if there is a chart in the image, with I'm just repeating the other prompt exactly. So let's try it again and see what the result will be. We're using the free model still, so okay. Yeah, so we hit the rate limit. That's the problem with free models. But okay, we just maybe have to do something like this. Retry on fail and add a wait node. Let's see if this will help. Or just, if you want to run it with this free model, we could add, yeah, okay, oh, it's still running. We could add a couple of wait nodes to make sure we're not hitting the rate limits. Okay, it's done. Chart, nice. But is there a chart? No, there is not a chart. So that's a problem. So okay, let's go back to the previous. Okay, we have to do it like this. Executions. Let's see where it was. Let me just grab the small little prompt we used before. Not this one. Let's see, I want the other prompt. Okay, so this one. Sometimes it's just better to use smaller prompts and not overcomplicate it. And in this case, I think with this free model, Llama, what was it? This one, Vision Instruct. It's a free model. And do we have, where do we see the rate limited? Apps using this free model, the meme generator. That's funny. Okay. What's this? AImeme.com. Okay, so, okay. It's a bearish indicator, answer chart. Funny. Okay, it's already analyzing the chart, so let's me check this one. AI. Funny. Okay, nice. This is a nice little project, I think. He's using, this app is using the free, this is meme. Okay, this is pretty cool. Okay, I'm saving this here. You can play around with this website. It's pretty nice. I'm saving it for later. Okay, it didn't work. Oh, okay, nice. Oh yeah. This is necessary to. Let's see. I need to grab the image as a binary. Grab me something to drink. Be right back. All right, back. Okay, going to finish these final steps. So this is something I'm going to add to all the other parts to immediately check if there is a chart in image. If there isn't, rerun the whole process and take another screenshot. Okay, so for now, let's just deactivate all these nodes and make sure. Oh wait, I need just to fix this one. Drive. I need to get the oh nice, yeah, I can do something like this. Copy this one, go to here, and then get the image again and upload it to the Google Drive. This will work, I think. Okay, let's test it. And then let's see. I think this will work. So if there is a chart in the image, we will get the image again, and then we will, let's see what the output is of the free AI agent who's analyzing the image. There is a chart in the image, answer chart. Is there? Yeah, there is. Nice. And then, okay, yeah, we have to grab the screenshot, this one, and to get it. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, we'll rerun it. Okay, so the screenshot will be get again. Let me just build the other nodes. I must say, I like this Firecrawl screenshot a lot, and this whole workflow. I think I'm going to. Oh wait, yeah, okay, we're hitting the rate limit. Okay, I think I'm going to replace it. This was the 30-minute chart. What was it? Bybit? Yeah, this is Bybit as well. So we don't need this one. So we don't need this one. Especially if we are using the other Firecrawl option. So let's just do it like this. And all right, let's try it again. Yeah, we're using in this agent node a free vision model, so that's why we are hitting the rate limit that often. Okay, let me just do execute step. Oh wait, yeah. Let me do it this one. And this, I will just do it like this. When the rate limit, I will have to look into what rate limits I have with this free version. This is something I'm using as well, Browserless. So damn, that's a lot of white. It's self-hosted. So what we are doing, we are self-hosting this. Okay, for now that's okay. Okay, okay. So let me just replace it with 4.0 Mini. I think 4.0 Mini will be just fine. I will just show you what the cost will be when we use 4.0 Mini. Let's go back one more. I didn't select Grok Vision, right? No, 4.0 Mini. Why is it? Okay, nice. 4.0 Mini, yeah, it's okay. No chart. Nice. Okay, so it will have to rerun. Because there is no chart, it will rerun this cycle and make a new screenshot. Get the screenshot, crop the screenshot. There's no chart again. So there's no chart. It's false. So if we look at the print screen, there is no chart. Let's see the second run. There is no chart again. And this will keep on going until there is a chart in the image. So let's see. This should be a chart. Yeah, this should. Yeah. And when you see, the agent analyzed the image and it says chart. And the output is that we have saved the chart in this folder. So this was something that didn't work, and this is the new one. Pretty cool, right? One thing that we will have to do is add the edit image in here as well. Let me just do pin the nodes, and so we won't need to, so like this, because we will need to cut the image, crop the image. All right, let's go. Yeah, okay, it's all running. Oh, we shouldn't. Okay, wait. We hit a loop, I think. An infinite loop. Let me just move this one out of this whole workflow and just move it a bit back to this. Yeah, okay. Okay, let me refresh it. Yeah, because this, infinite loop. So let me just fix this. Yeah, this is something that could happen to you as well when you are building. Infinite loop. we pinned some nodes, and that's why okay, the loop hit an infinite loop and the system crashed. So that's not what we want. We are going to do it again, but without the pinned nodes. And we are back online again. So let's move this one around here, save this, and extend this a little bit like this. All right. Let's see and just get chart image, then crop chart image, save chart image, crop chart image 01, get chart image 01. All right, let's do it again. So all right, let me just deactivate these for a second, and then press execute step. Okay, let's see it running again. So the image, okay, there's a chart in the image, and we will see that it's true, and there is the new one, this the old one, this is the new one. The price, nice. So this is something we are going to use in all our other workflows as well. In this, so what we could do is just do something like this, copy and paste, and then just move this one back, and this one also. Just grab the URL and change it in here, because I like this a lot. I like this really. Yeah, this is pretty cool. This tested and it's working. The only thing that we will need to do is delete this one and this one, connect it, add this one to 1 day, this to Binance, change the name, Binance like this, and then go to the folder, and create a new folder. Wait, why don't I? 1 day chart Binance. So open up the folder, then go back, deactivate all these nodes all at once, like this, select them all and press D. They will all be deactivated. Let me grab the URL of the folder and change this one to 1 day. Edit fields. Okay, I have to edit it. 1 day. Let's see if it is adjusted. Yeah, nice, it's adjusted. Cool. Get the result. Okay, so when we do, let's see what the result will be. Let's see how the image is. Okay, there was no chart in the image. Nice. Let's do another one. Let's see if there's a chart. No, not yet. We will have to adjust. I think for the Binance, we have to adjust it. Okay, Oh, almost. No, 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 there, no, look. There isn't, yeah. So is there a chart or not? So now the agent said there is a chart, but there isn't. Let me just try something. I need to adjust where is it? I need to adjust the JSON to make sure it add a bit a weight to make sure that we are getting the chart in the image and not just a blank. Let's see if this will work and what the result will be in just a second. Okay, it's done. So let's get the screenshot. Let's see, I hope this is better. Still not. Let me check this with the crawl for AI. Let me get the URL. Sometimes it's just better to switch it up a bit. Oh, let me copy this to here and then get the URL again. Hey Ens, how are you doing? Execute it. Let's see. Convert the file. We need to convert it. Just a sec. Okay. Okay, let's rerun it. Why isn't it working? Let's see. Oh. Yeah. Okay, I need to connect the trigger, of course. Okay, nice. Now we're up and running. So let's see what it will be. If it is 10, so damn. All right, we got a chart. Let's see, it's a bit small, but when I download it, let me check the result. The result is pretty good with the crawl for AI. Let me just do another test. Where is it? Where's my... It's over here. Okay. Activate it, get the URL. We need it. Yeah, great to hear, man. I'm doing okay. A bit late, but we are just finishing up the final parts of this stream. And let me see if this will... Oh, wait. What didn't I do? Oh, wait, yeah, okay. Execute the step. Okay, okay, so this is the nice thing about having a couple of options with this setup. So we tried to do the screenshot with Firecrawl AI on Binance, but that isn't working. So what we are going to do is to remove it from here, delete this one, and add back in the crawl for AI. So we will need this, edit, and set. This is already adjusted. Yeah, nice. Then this is already good. All right. Then we will need this one to crop the image. Did you build any automations today, Ant? Or did you have different things to do today? Let me check. I need this one. Crop the image. And then we're going to analyze the image. Add the if node as well. If it's false, we're gonna make a new screenshot. And if it's true, we are going to, not this one. If it's true, then we will need to do a different thing here, because we will need to get the screenshot. Let me think about it, how we will be able to pull it up. Crawl for AI is giving our binary data. It's giving binary data, so let's see. Let me just try it. Maybe the crawl for AI don't. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. What's this? What's this? Success screenshot null. Okay, just a bit strange. Oh, nice, nice. What did you start today? What new workflow did you start? Are we? What could be the issue? Let me try this one again. I think my crawl for AI is blocked as well now. What I could do is adjust this to 2 seconds. Let me see what the result was from this. No, this still, yeah, this still giving problems. Let's do something like this. Try it again. Nice, nice. Did you are you having any success with the TikTok repurposing the content? Is the content you're creating totally different from the one you are scraping, or yeah, so that when you hit got a hit with one post, so it won't be banned or deleted by TikTok? I saw a lot of people posting about that. Okay, Binance giving us a bit of trouble. So let's just try one more time. Okay, so Binance is giving us some trouble. So let me check the URL. Is this the correct one? Let's see if we can go to the futures URL. Let's try and see if that URL is better. it won't give us the same issues. Oh, nice. There's no chart, so it should output no chart. We need to cut it more. So let's see, I will need to adjust the height. So what's the, okay. Yeah, I need to cut it more. Okay, the same video. Really curious, man, what the results will be when you have it running for a couple of months. We try to cut it like this and see what the result will be. Let's see. Okay, still no, maybe 1000. Oh wait, we can do like 600 and do this like 1200 because all the bottom part I don't need. Okay, no, okay. Okay, so we are blocked again, I think. Let me just try it in Firecrawl here. I'm not sure what you mean, but yeah, I think you will have to test it, man, to see if the results are good or not, because repurposing videos and posting the same videos, yeah, I don't think that's a good strategy to grow a channel. You have to add a little bit yeah, a unique flow to it or something. Okay, so I just noticed something. Sorry for. Unfortunately, we aren't able to provide services to users from restricted countries, including IP addresses. I think Firecrawl is using some Russian stuff. Yandex, I saw Yandex to scrape. Okay. That's why we are not seeing the results. Okay, Firecrawl is unable to do it. Crawl for AI is giving trouble with Binance, so let's see what other options we have. Or we will have to find another option for the daily chart. Kraken. Let's see if Kraken is offering something. Oh, okay. Oh, then I didn't say anything, man. Then it's just a great automation. I thought you was repurposing other people's content, but then it's just great. Hey, I just found the 1 hour chart from Kraken. Let me just adjust it a bit. So let's just do something like this. Fixed. 1 hour. And this is going to be 1 hour chart from Kraken. Okay, so let me just get this up and running. Let me see if I can use this flow for the Kraken one as well. Uh, 1 hour chart. Let's see if this will work. Okay, let's see if this will work. Yeah, that's great to hear, man. The first setup and start you have with n8n could be a little bit overwhelming, but eventually when you have a little bit of experience, yeah, you could just do yeah, pretty cool automations with it. No, you will. Just keep on watching. I'm almost done with this video. Okay, this is not working, so let me check this one with the Kraken service. Let's see if there are, I have to make a little reminder for myself. Let's see if this is done. Okay, this is really small. Okay, we have to adjust a couple of settings, I think. Okay, I will have to look into that as well. Check crawl. I have to check the settings from crawl for AI to see if we could enlarge the viewport a bit. And so this is like an iPad screen, a mobile version. So that's why the chart is really small. But can we do something like this? Is that okay? This won't change anything. Okay. Coin analyze. This is having the 5-minute chart. The nice thing would be if I could just grab this. Let's see. They're using, yeah. I have to look into the trading view as well. I think I could use their API to generate it, but for now, let me see if I could do something like this. Okay, that's not found. No, I will have to look into it because they're not. No, they're not. Okay. I just want to grab this, and if I do, okay, this would be the best if I can just adjust the page and get the new data. But they are not offering it. No, we'll need to look into it. I will need a different, this can be, this was 15 minutes as well. Okay, this can be closed. Coinbase can be closed. This is 5 minutes. Kraken we checked. This is okay. What could we check? Oh, KuCoin. Okay, let me see if we could get it from KuCoin as well. BTC. Let's see what we will get. We don't want to sign in. 15 minutes. Oh, there are a lot of. Okay. Okay. Hyperliquid. What? No, I pressed Hyperliquid, right? Oh. Hyperliquid, that was an exchange, right? Just going to check. Hyper, no. Is it here? No. Hyperliquid. Just going to check if Hyperliquid is offering something like that we can BTC 1 hour chart. Nice. It's the 1 hour chart. And when we open it up in incognito, what will we get? The 1 hour. Okay. So let me see. If we do something like this to get the 1 hour chart from Hyperliquid, what we will see, let's see, come on. All right, let's check. Nice, so this is working. And with this one, can we get the 1 hour chart as well? This shouldn't be a problem. Something I have to do as well. Add a form to to check so I'm going to add a form to check for different coins. This is for the view port, the API. Let me see the result. You are asking the program server receive initialize. Okay, that's not a problem, but we got a pretty cool screenshot. So let's see, I will just disconnect this one and make a new part over here with and do something like this and make it red. This is so these are backup nodes. I'll just drag and make them over there. So we got the 1 hour working. Let me see. This is the 1 hour chart from Hyperliquid. We are going to crop the image to make it better, and okay, let's do this whole workflow. Let me go to my drive and add a new folder. 1 hour chart Hyperliquid. Go to URL and add it here. Oh, okay. I think we got a nice. So for now, was just in time. Let me see if we. Oh, it will rerun the whole thing. I think, yeah. Okay, so that's it. I think we only need to find the daily chart and the 4 hour. So that's the only thing that's left. Let me add a note to remind myself, daily chart 4 hour. And here, and let's see in the fold. Nice. So for the people that just got onto the stream, so there's a little analyze agent that's checking if this image is a chart. If there's a chart, the only output it will give is chart. Then there's an if node, and when there's no chart, it will rerun the screenshot process and take another screenshot until there is a chart. Nice little trick to avoid bot protection and other little CAPTCHA things, to always get a chart. The cost of that analyze is yeah, nominal, half a cent. So let's see if we could get let's keep that open up. This, yeah, they got an API, pretty expensive. I'm gonna do something like this. Okay, I'm not sure. I have to check that one. Okay, I can close that one. Yeah, that was what we did in the first part of the video. We created the bedtime stories YouTube automation, and one of the videos was this, one of the openings videos. Let's see. What we are able to do now is just activate this workflow, adjust the schedule trigger to run every 15 minutes, and then I will just deactivate for now this daily flow. Let it just run the other ones, and then let me activate them all like this. Come on, activate. Let me remove this one. I don't need that one. Okay, they're all active. And now when I do execute workflow, they all will run. And we will get the 1 minute chart, screenshot, the 5, the 15, the 30, and the 1 hour. So we will need to find the daily chart and the 4 hour. So let's check the drive, and we will have a new 1 minute chart. That should be in the let me see where it got saved. Oh, it's over here, the bitget 1 minute chart. So this is the newest one. So this is the 1 minute chart. Where is the 5 minute chart? The newest over here. 5 minute chart. And the 50 minutes chart is over in this folder. Nice. So this is pretty cool. So this will run, this whole workflow will run every 50 minutes now. Yeah, I would like to thank you for watching. Tomorrow we are going to build this workflow further and make sure that we are connecting our first agent to it. If you are looking for a school community, small community, but with a lot of templates just for grabs, all these templates, you can generate daily horoscope videos, spirit animals, super leaders, baby TED Talk videos, Google News automation, where you can generate every day a new video, and of course the bedtime stories. There's a whole workflow where you can generate reg files for your agent. track the cost of your agents. There's even a call lead agent where you will be able to use RETL AI and have an agent call all your leads. Scrape Amazon, scrape Google Maps, and one of the best outreach workflows, scrape Google Maps, scrape the email addresses of the websites, rate the websites with an agent, send them an email, how they can improve the website. A fully system that you can just start using. All the guides how to self-host your n8n, how to set up Browserless, Crawl for AI, Kokoro, and eventually also how you can set up all your credentials. All guides written up with images, and how to self-host your n8n, of course, and how to set up all your credentials with fully image and text guides to give yourself a kickstart. Here's the link. This is the link to the community. If you have any questions about n8n, you just want to get started, post them in the school or wait for the next live stream. This was the live stream for today. Thanks for watching. Streamed for 3 hours, did a lot of cool things. Let me just show you the bedtime stories template that we just, where is it? Maybe like this, and then, over here. With this template you can generate 12 to 15 minutes bedtime stories. The thing that we're building, we were improving the prompts. So what we did was, let me show you. We were improving these steps. Oh wait, is it pinned? Can I show the data? I think I can show it. We were generating images like this with a particular style that's fitting for bedtime stories. That's what we did, and eventually the first 10 images, so the first whole minute of the video will be with high quality image to video. So for that we were using let me see, Kling. We were using this model, image to video, and then this one. So the first whole minute there will be 10 great image to video generated, and for the second part of the automation we used this model, LTX, where is it? This one. And for this you're only paying 4 cents for every video. So that's it for now. Have a great day and see you in the next stream. Bye bye.